Activity for the kitchen sink. Overview section. AmbiFi allows you to build smart procedures with a number of different item types. This procedure walks through the different types that can be displayed. These are the current item types supported. We will start with the simple checkbox, the most essential component of a procedure. Are you ready to start? Section overview is complete. Checkbox section. Simple checkbox. Checkbox. With 2 labels. Checkbox without checkbox. Tap to acknowledge. Checkbox without checkbox. Different background color. Checkbox with rich text. Heading 1. Heading 2. Heading 3. Emphasize with bold and italics. Bullet 1, Bullet 2, Bullet 3. Checkbox with comments. Press and hold the item to display the comments. Checkbox with image. Press the image to get a better view. Checkbox with video. Press the video to see it in all its glory. Mandatory checkbox. All items after this are disabled until it is checked. Add notes, media and sketches to any item. Press and hold this item and you can add your own notes, upload photos and videos and use a sketchpad. Checkbox with audio override. By default, your assistant speaks the content that you create. You have the option for her to say something very different than is displayed on screen. This is useful for phonetically spelling words she may stumble on, or creating more concise, or more detailed narratives. Checkbox with linking. When this item is checked, it will jump somewhere else. It can jump within this procedure, or even jump to a different procedure. Did you just jump here? Checkbox with inline linking. Links within the label can be created to do lots of cool things. Here is jumping somewhere else again, but this is done this time by clicking on a link. When linking, you can also have a prompt displayed to return to where you jumped from. Click here to jump. Did you just jump here again? You should now notice the prompt at the top of the screen to go back, or you can dismiss if you want to stay here. More fun with linking. Call, email, text, FaceTime, Skype. A final thing to note before we move on is all of the features that you just saw added to a simple checkbox are not limited to just checkboxes. We just used that first item type as an example. They can be added to any of the available item types that follow. Collecting data from users is a core capability of AmbiFi. It turns normal procedures into smart procedures. Let's go through some of the item types that support data collection. Are you ready? Text input section. This is a simple text input. Test. Text input with placeholder content. Test. Text input with default content. Some default content. Text input with maximum characters of 123. Text input that auto-capitalizes each sentence. Test. Text input that auto-capitalizes each word. Test. Text input that auto-capitalizes each character. Test. Text input that does not auto-capitalize anything. Test. Text input that auto-corrects as you type. Test. Text input that does not auto-correct as you type. Test. Text input changing the keyboard type to numeric. 123. Text input changing the keyboard type to email. There are also many other keyboard types that are either iOS or Android specific. Test@test.com. Text input, changing the keyboard type to phone pad. You can also set a mask for the phone. 555-555-1212. Text input with a currency type mask. $1,000. Text input with multiple lines. This item has a return key to start a new line. The Done button moves to the next item. Test. Section text input is complete. Yes/no section. A simple yes/no item. Do you think AmbiFi is cool? Yes. Yes/no with linking. Do you need more info on this? Yes. Here is some more info. Do you want to continue on? Yes. Section yes/no is complete. Picker section. This is a simple picker. What is your favorite mode of travel? Planes. Picker with placeholder content. What is your favorite mode of travel? Planes. Picker with default value content. What is your favorite mode of travel? Trains. Picker shown as buttons. What is your favorite mode of travel? Automobiles. Picker with linking. What is your favorite mode of travel? Planes, trains, automobiles. B-1 bomber. Plane in flight. There is an associated video. World War II fighter. Military twin. Activity for the kitchen sink. Picker section. Activity for the kitchen sink. Picker section. Activity for the kitchen sink. Picker section. Those full-screen rich content narratives that just displayed are another capability of AmbiFi. We call that show mode. When you create a procedure, you can create a more advanced procedure like this one, or a show mode procedure. You can run the show mode procedures standalone, or link to them from an advanced procedure as was just shown. Section picker is complete. Show mode section. A show mode procedure is a rich media narrative that the user swipes through, or uses their voice to control. It is meant for procedures where there are typically photos or videos that describe the steps. Perfect for training or performance support. Here is a simple, vanilla show mode procedure. Important, press the notes icon below to view important notes. 1 cup whole milk, well chilled. Activity for the kitchen sink. Show mode section. Here is a more in-depth procedure. Jewelry platinum casting. Turn on water circulation. Turn on machine. Lift the lid. Make sure the crucible is free of any metal. If you turn the center, make sure chamber is clean. Make sure crucible is in. Activity for the kitchen sink. Show mode procedures are simple and fun to create. You pull out your phone or tablet, snap a few photos and videos and add some captions. In seconds you can then share your knowledge and expertise. Now that you are excited with all of the possibilities of show mode, let's move on to more mundane, but essential item types to build out your smart procedures. Section show mode is complete. Date time pickers section. Set current date. The 9th of July 2018. Set to a specific date. The 14th of April 2016. Set current date and time. The 9th of July 2018, 7:04 a.m. Set to a specific date and time. The 14th of April 2017, 3 a.m. Set current time, 7:04 a.m. Set to a specific time. Use format HH, mm, 2:33 p.m. Section date time pickers is complete. Address and location search section. Address search. You can immediately navigate to any address or location. $6,401 Lincoln HWY. Location search. Ascender. Section address and location search is complete. Media upload section. Upload photos. Media added. Media added. Upload videos. Media added. Section media upload is complete. Barcode scanner section. Scan from a variety of barcodes. Barcode added. Scan a specific barcode. This item will only scan a QR code. Barcode added. Manually enter or edit a barcode using the text input. Barcode added. Section barcode scanner is complete. Sketchpad section. A simple sketchpad. Use sketchpads for signatures or drawing. A sketchpad with a different pen and background color. A sketchpad with a thick pen width. A sketchpad with a thin pen width. Section sketchpad is complete. Conclusion section. AmbiFi was designed to make it easy for anyone to share their knowledge and expertise. Procedures can be created from smartphones, tablets or PCs. This entire kitchen sink procedure was created on a smartphone using AmbiFi. For questions and feedback, email us at feedback@ambifi.com. Go create.